In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Adjusting font size is crucial on any device for any user to make it comfortable for the eyesight. If you want to manage it on this OPPO, start by opening Settings. Then scroll down a tiny bit to tap on Display and Brightness section. Scroll again and this time click on Font. Finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. Additionally, in some font styles, you can also adjust font weight. And even click on this switcher next to Adaptive Font Weight to switch it on or off. Anyway, when you're ready, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. If you wish to change it again, go back to the same settings. Just remember to tap on Apply every time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!